Fresh GoPro, what do you guys think? What are we calling this episode? Getting the cruiser ready for sale, build, cruisy Thursday. Oh, let's go. Sorry, my foot slipped. Rip this tray off, tidy up the chassis because it's got a little bit of dodgy rust proofing that the last owner did, and then we're going to cover it up with all new rust proofing. Actually, this stuff, which we got from car builders. It's supposed to be pretty good. Textured coating, should tidy it up beautiful. We'll kill all the rust and then just make it look schmicko.
And some body mounts. What are we doing with those?
Yeah, we got these.
So you lifted the tray.
I lifted the tray and just did some temporary mounts. So I ordered these. That's going to replace the tray mounts. And then we also...
fuel filler.
We also got to adjust and move the secondary fuel tank filler.
Sweet.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, boy.
Dodgy. No, I'm joking.
Bro, having a hoist and working on the ground is just...
I have a rollie. Why don't you get the rollie?
It's crazy, like being defeated by a plug.
It's just like... Bit of a reference for us in our future. We're going to bring the secondary filler out here is the goal. Just in line with this. Do you need a hand, buddy?
No. Oh, dude.
Are you clear from the hoist?
Yeah.
Let's go small guy.
Happy days. Happy days.
Let's lift her up. That's all disconnected.
Yeah, good at the back.
Good. Good. Questionable. Really tests out the strength of your boxes when you lift the whole tray off them.
Wow, you're right.
Yeah. Let's get that away from the cab a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see. I've kind of got that. Or do you want to put a chock behind it?
Oh, that's lucky. It's got the 12 volt unplugged from my fridge.
Whoops.
That would have just unplugged itself anyways.
Probably. Wow.
I think we're good.
What an awesome tray, hey. Actually, I'm gonna miss this car, man.
I know. But then you'll say that when we sell the F truck.
Yeah.
It's done. I mean, the next car. That's making some horrible sounds over there. I do not remember it being that bad.
Dude, hoists are amazing.
Dude, doing this, like I used to pull trays off with the posi track,
Yeah.
and it was like, you could not do it with the canopy on, that's for sure, but it was dicey at best.
It's so good.
After a big trip, you just whip the tray off to clean it, wouldn't
Yeah,
you?
you could,
If you have
yeah.
a hoist. Or like even borrow a mate's hoist. So I'm thinking, clean the chassis up, paint everything we can from the top, wheel the car back in, drop the tray back on it,
Yeah.
plastic up everything, then put the car up on the hoist, and then we can finish the underbody spraying. What a beautiful day, baby. Woo! So I bought this car probably a year ago now. Done one beach trip, but this was pre-existing damage. I haven't touched the chassis at all. Now we were planning to dry ice blast it with our new business and do a clear coat protection system on this, but we just haven't got the equipment yet. It's not set up, so we're just gonna go back to what we know, old school, clean it, grind it down, wire wheel it, and then probably acid it, kill all the rust. Not that there's much, like there's a little bit around here. It's just starting, which the old owner sprayed the rust proofing over the top when I bought it to make it look all clean and new, so he sort of tricked me. So we're not going to do that to the next owner. We're going to keep the car happy and sort it out now. And then we'll do that car builder's textured coating finish on it, which is just really easy. I like it. Loving it?
Getting it done, baby.
Yes, thank you, my bro. Appreciate you. It's coming off. Should have done that plug first.
Oh yeah.
And I need it for work.
On a 79, a toe ball.
Yeah, toe ball not included.
What's going on?
Done myself some mischief.
What have you done?
I got the wire brush stuck.
Oh no.
Can't get it out. Can you?
Holy smokes.
If you can get it out, you can keep it. Oh damn, he's got the technique. Wow.
Just like that, I skilled a wire brush. Is that one or?
That is like 5 or 6 in there.
Alright, one at a time. Do you want to set that up on the back there somewhere?
Yeah.
It's the end there. Or is that the long way? That's the ball. Oh, sick.
To drive it.
There's something about a 79. Doesn't matter what cruiser you drive, if you hate them, you haven't driven one, because it hits you.
Even the old 79s, like the
Dude.
O2s,
You just,
they're just as good.
oh, they're just fun. They're noisy and they're obnoxious, and for that reason they're good.
All right, let's get this drop sheet on and get this guy painted, eh? Might jump in the middle, start from the inside and work my way out.
Give us a test spray on here. Sheesh.
It's gonna look good. Dang, we've done it.
How good does that look?
Actually looks insane.
I didn't think it would come up that good. Did you?
No, not that good. No way.
Yeah. Grinded, acided, painted. So it's seared. It's good for another 10 years probably. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows? It's way better than it was. You can't make an old car brand new. That's reality. No, not without fully blasting it. So
Exactly.
great, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, let's run to town. We're going to get some breather hoses. Hopefully they got some in stock, eh?
So we want to extend the sub-tank
Filler. Yeah. So
So-
it's just been flopping under the tray. Like when I built the tray, I just didn't have time to do it, nor had I worked out where I wanted to put it.
Yes.
With all the under tray boxes and all that sort of stuff. So
Yeah.
I'm just going to extend these breather lines. I've got the stuff to do the main filler. So we're going to right angle it, run it through here, another right angle, and then bring it out the side of the tray so you can just boom, fill up.
Yeah.
Same side as
Because
the
these
front.
these have 2 tanks.
Yeah, it comes with 2 tanks.
Main, that's the sub at the back.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So, yeah.
an extra 40 litres.
No, that's like 90.
90
80 or
litres.
90 litres.
Dang, son.
40
That'll
litres,
give
you
you
reckon?
like what?
Yeah. It's
100 Ks?
no, yeah, about 20 extra kilometres.
No, that's great, bro.
It's unreal, especially
Yeah.
on big trips like Fraser
Yeah.
Island, where the fuel's really expensive.
Yeah.
I fill up both tanks here and basically only use 1 tank.
Yeah, because fuel's expensive on the island. So
Happy days.
awesome.
Let's go.
Let's go. In you get. Up. In you get, buddy. Good girl.
What have we here?
Nothing.
New bottles.
Yeah, they're like clear ones.
Bit of coffee. What's the A stand for? Awesome. Just put this on.
Just put this in. This. Where are you gonna just fold that in half? Is that a fuel line?
I think it is.
That one would be. 'Cause
It is, yeah. That's
Oh, it
fuel.
could be a breather. Could be a long ass breather.
Yeah, this one actually, because it goes to the filler. So they're the fuel lines.
Yeah,
This is just a breather.
that's good because I was really worried about that fold. So a bit of grease will change your life on those. Want some grease?
Oh!
Inox.
That's as far as it's going. I'm really struggling here. You reckon that's enough? Do you want to try and get it on a bit more?
Yeah.
It's pretty solid.
Dude, that is.
I think that's fine.
It just can't go any further. Like
No.
it's
Good.
what do you want for that?
If it's the right size, should be.
How do you do that up? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
Shoot that here, and then
Yeah, we're coming out back where.
are we behind?
Right there, yeah.
True.
So,
It'll be something like that.
yeah.
That's tight. Do you want to do all this up?
Yeah, let's do it, because it'll be really hard to get to. And I think even put this stainless pipe in.
Just run it long.
No, we'll cut it.
How good is that?
Yeah, it looks great.
Sick. Alright. Do you know what size that is?
10. They're sick hose clamps.
It's all good, man.
Solid.
Yeah.
I love the bolt. Like, you're not relying on the threads of.
Yeah. Or like a Phillips head or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's not
awesome.
going anywhere. As long as you can't twist it, that's how you know you've got a good seal.
Yeah, well, you pinch it, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful. What is that pipe?
Yeah. So that'll be about. That's what I'm thinking for that. So if we just go.
You get a texture?
Yeah. Just TIG welding with it. Beautiful.
Sure.
I feel like I want to push a rag through that. That's pretty sweet. Just push that through with the broom. You got him all clean. Oh, I should have done some. Yeah, something. A little bit tight.
As long as you can find that thread again.
A little bit difficult.
Remember we were looking at the size up?
Yeah, we should have grabbed that next. Just one size. That's right. There we go.
I got it.
Yeah.
Hands away. It's probably on camera. Sounds funny. Is it all fuel rated or does it need to be?
I don't know. This is all like
Is that air intake stuff?
yeah, but I think it's safe for fuel.
It just melts. To be fair, it's only when you fill it up that it would ever see fuel.
Yeah, it's not like it's pumping it. I think we start with that and see
Yeah,
how that looks.
you can get to that.
Yeah, exactly.
That ain't making.
We probably don't have to crank in case we have to angle it a bit, but
Sure.
that'll be good.
We'll just flex that joint. Well, I'll see that.
Yeah, cool.
We can probably get to that,
Yeah, definitely.
Or is that where the box is?
Yeah, that's fine. We
Could we have that?
we could shorten that if we want to straighten that a little bit, but
Yeah.
we'll just see how it looks once it's on there. Been wanting to do this for so long. It's so nice to finally do it. Thanks heaps for your help.
That's alright. New filler. That's gonna look great. Alright, let's move it back under the tray. Dude, it's really not that bad. It looks like the...
Oh shit.
You're right. The back wants to come to the right.
Yeah, we
But
can
the-
sort of shimmy it. That's pretty
That's-
close.
Yeah. So the cano at the back wants to go left.
Cool.
Just
We
a
can
touch.
shimmy it.
Yeah.
Um,
Seriously, like 30 mil, 25 mil.
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. How do you want to do that?
Let's put these dudes in. We'll get it down close. Like,
Can you
even
just
pull the
arm it
bolts
across?
out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll get it close so like it's sitting on the mount.
Yep.
And then we'll get at least one bolt in sort of the front.
Yeah.
We'll try.
We'll try. We'll try. I got a good feeling.
Oh yeah. I've done it a few times now.
All right, down she comes. Okay.
Probably just take the bolts out. We'll drop it hard onto the mount, but keeping a little bit of weight. And then we'll just slide. We'll slide it over. We can even put a jack under the car.
Do you think this should go through though into the body block, and then you slide the bolt and the body block
Together.
together? Otherwise, you get like
Yeah, I like it.
like that, because that bolt will stay floating until it slips in the hole. Huh?
Yep. Mine's actually gonna go.
All the way through.
Yep. I just gotta come down more.
No, I got to come forward.
Okay. So we'll get my bolt then. Are you clear?
I'm good. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in.
I won't be. I'll have to come forward. Oh, I thought that tin was about to come on me.
We should move that so it doesn't fall on the car.
10 mil off. I got to come. Cano has to come forward 10 mil.
Okay, so that back wants to switch over. So I'll get a nut on this guy,
That's exactly what it wants to do, though. Really.
which is great.
Yeah. We just push that back around.
Yeah, we're gonna need longer bolts. That sucks.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, like I can't get it under the thread with the water.
Oh no. Oh, hello. Have you come to help? Have you come to help? Just lick Caleb's face. He loves it.
Oh, we got a nut on, so it's safe. But literally need 10 mil longer, and then it would have been good.
Yeah.
That's right. Well, at least that's not going to fall out.
That's in.
That's in. Oh, mine are in.
Oh, dude, that wants it. Oh, yeah, that's in. It's just short. Yep.
Cool. Bring it down.
Yes, sir. Yep. Did it. New body blocks and all the bolts in. A little bit of mucking around, but pretty good. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, that's a bit of a struggle, wasn't it?
It was a little bit.
Look at me on the wood.
Yeah, so new blocks under there. Looking good with the paint job. How's my alignment? Not good. Stop filming and start working, Joe. Oh, go forward. All right, front's good.
Nah, clear.
One sec. Yeah, ready there, sir. Happy? Yeah. Oh, perfect. Did you see the weight come off evenly?
Yeah.
Just gonna rip the tyres off and finish the undercoating from the underside. So we've done most of it, probably 80%, and now gonna just get any bits we miss. So yeah, let's do it. Fuel filler time, baby. How's it going?
I think I'm gonna work. That's almost
So what are we
gonna
trying to do? Yes, poke it out here.
bolt there.
Yep.
I'll have to get that fitting. 50 mil this way.
Oh, we can do that. What about a bit of pipe and
We just go that straight dog.
the metal?
Oh, we cut that off. Ah!
Oh, that went on easy, that one.
Yeah. So easy. Fittings on fittings here, right?
Played yourself.
Oh. Look at this, so we got our adapters on. That goes to our little filler. How tidy is that? All bolted up. Lovely.
Can't do this one-handed.
Oh.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's alright.
So how's that new hitch looking?
So well. Yeah. Action. Too high.
Happy, brother?
So happy.
Oh, look at that fuel filler. Stuff like that just doesn't happen on its own, you know?
You do all this stuff right before you sell it and you don't get to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Here's it. Why don't we, on project cars, pretend we're going to sell it, finish everything, and then just keep it? Wop, wop, wop. Little drifties. Drifties on the side.
Formula One.
All clear? All clear. What's next?
Ticked off all the things before you want to sell it?
Yeah, I think it's actually done now, ready for sale. Maybe headlights.
Yeah.
They're pretty yellow.
They're a bit
So
yellow.
that's the only thing.
One of the only people I know to do up a car before he sells it. I like it.
Oh, it just leaves it nice for the next car.
It's good for the next
Might get
owner.
it detailed.
Yeah. You going to tell us what's next?
I have
what car's next?
I have let it slip a few times while we've been filming.
Yeah.
So if you guys comment below what it is, I'll do something.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Something funny.
Something funny?
That's the 79 tidy up. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Next week, don't forget, we're going in depth on our pressure cleaner build. So that's going to be real fun to watch. So yeah, we'll see you next time. See you guys.